Hello guys, welcome back. This is Belle Bernaz. So for video, I am going to unbox this one from Aqua Flask. So okay, let's open this one, guys. So, ito na yun guys. Oh, ganda. Itong isa, moss green. Saka itong isa, Arctic white. So, ganito kalaki guys. 40 ounce siya. 850. Oo. 850 to siya. Ganito kalaki yung size. 850. Maganda to guys. Nag-stay yung cold niya or hot 12 hours. Yan. Ito guys. So, laki. 40 ounce. Yan. So, ito yung kulay niya. Laki. Yan. Then, next natin. Ito guys, ipapadala ko to sa Israel. Moss green. So, bali guys, yung ganito kalaki, 64 ounce. Yan, ganitong kalaki is 1,395. Yan, 1,395. Ayan. Okay nga. So, 12 hours siyang mainit. 12 hours din siyang malamig. So, yan. Okay. Ganda, no? Ganda. Ayan siya guys. Moss green. Saka ayan. Arctic white. Ayan, ganda oh. Ito very handy din. Ito medyo mataba. Kasi ano to, 1.8. Ayan. Ganda. Ayan, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. And please don't forget to subscribe. That's it for today's video. Bye everyone.